who's not seen this already, this is basically a reference to the comedy program The Mighty Boosh. Because one of the characters in The Mighty Boosh is this sort of morbid, introspective bloke called Howard. You want me to go out as a real life, obviously, but sort of, and as he himself would say, I'm Howard Moon. Coming at you like a beam, like a ray, like a laser, like a beam, like a razor, like a ray of light in the night. I'm like lightning coming at you like a kestrel. Ow! That's one of them. And Lucy was a bit disappointed that I was dressed in black today. Because, she wanted me to come in a different colour. So
that was a reference to say, Howard did actually say that one day he will come in a brightly coloured shirt. Being his last day, that's where Lucy's disappointment come from.
Joe, give him a shift for the weekend. It's usually the way of fixing that one.
But so I thought to make up, said I shall do a crimp on the subject. I think I will need a jacket.
Somebody just phoned me right in the middle of that and made me stop it.
None of us are really elegant jacket in the world, but it will suffice, because Jean-Claude Jacquetie is a very sartorially conscious man, and I suppose I could play like this. I could say Jean-Claude Jacquetie with his jacket on, 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 jacket on, jacket on, jacket on, jacket on. Ooh, silence. Ooh, walking man Paris with a tiny haversack, talking on a feature with a telescope going with a fast with an eagle claw, right, eagle claw, papa point, take a flashing coin, take it in the pocket of your bum bag, put it in the pocket of your bum bag, take it to the man, take it to the man, take it to Japan, take it to Milan, take it to Japan, take it to the man with a flashing van, Jacquetie.
In my time, the most unique
Crimp.
Thank you, sir.